Hi friends. Before the title card being displayed, 99 Songs team A.R. Rahman dedicated the movie to mom. It is very special and common in our country, showing immense love on our mother and also represents the nation itself as mother. A.R. Rahman is well known for his love and gratitude towards his mother who had believed and chose A.R. to take music as his career. The movie is a musical genre as well known by everyone. Right from the beginning till the end, you will experience rich sound quality and music composed by A. Rahman sir that will make you feeling so pleased. Every scene is well connected that helps the screenplay moving in a little slow but steady in the first half. The second half of the movie goes really fast where you'll realize that love on a mother towards her child is well carried by the director. I was really admired by the screenplay where a complex thought process is well picturized and can be witnessed visually. It's an inborn talent that one has to identify and choose it as passion, which helps the self in creativity flowing seamlessly. That could be the moral which I learned from the movie and from the hero Jay. The story is all about a hero, Jay, music and technology master's graduate who had simple but livelihood wishes and dreams. It all began with a challenge that pushes him to raise his bar. The challenge then became more complicated as he keeps risking himself restlessly to achieve his goal. At one point of time, he comes to know that the truth of who he is and what drives him all through his life till this point. Here comes the line in Tamil. அம்மா உன்மடி போதுமே நீயே என் வரமாகுமே எல்லாம் தந்தாய் வேரை போல நின்றேன் உன்னில் பணிவேன் உந்தன் பாதம் எங்கே. The same line in Hindi comes as ओ माँ कैसे पुकारूं कैसे कर चुकाऊं तेरा दिया कहा भी ना जाए तेरे सदके जान भी मेरे जाए. Meaning, Mother, your lap is enough for me to take rest. You gave me everything. I am standing like a tree. I bow my head onto your feet. Where are you? Thanks to the lyrics writer Vivek and Navneet Virk for such wonderful lines in Tamil and Hindi. Now, this song is the one that changed his life as Jay composed it with love on his mother. Goes viral without his effort or concert but through his true friend. While listening to the song, a big shot has related the song to his nation and did something after. This is partially spoiler of the movie by the way. The same song has changed him completely, which means one song can change anyone's life. Movie ends with a simple message that though he composed almost 100 songs in that movie, it didn't conquer his head. He moved on the next day as simple as every other previous day, but the one song has reached all over the world anonymously. What attracted me in this film is I went to Shirdi Sai Baba temple a couple of years ago and I was really felt blissful and blessed. When I listened to Shirdi Sai Baba song composed by A.R. Rahman, my love towards Sai Baba and A.R. Rahman kept growing. Later, the song has been added to 99 songs track list, and it was a surprise to me. I was eagerly waiting to watch the film, and after watching the film, it brought me little tear in my eyes. Yes, this is the one song for me at this phase of my life. So now, goosebumps. Yes, of course, there is goosebumps in the movie when national flag is shown, which perfectly matches the timing of lyrics running playing at the background. You will get to know when you watch the film the reason behind the connectivity. The screenplay and dialogue matches the Hollywood. However, Hollywood often misses one key element which is music itself. Music is a treasure to Indian films. In a way, this film is beyond Hollywood standards. My hearty wishes to A.R. Rahman sir and his entire team. Thank you for watching my review on 99 Songs movie.